Hello everyone, welcome to the first video lecture series on machine learning, and our first topic is Introduction to Machine Learning. So here we are going to discover how machines learn from data to solve complex problems and power the intelligent systems that shape our world. So, as we all know, today's day to day life is completely dependent on artificial intelligence as well as the machine learning. So, the artificial intelligence rely on machine learning, and these machine learnings in turn depend upon the data sets that evolve around us. So, now let us go deeper into what machine learning is. So in the upcoming video or in the upcoming slides, you will see about the further explanation of machine learning. So here, as we see in the slide, learning is any process by which a system improves performance from experience. So this was said by Herbert Simon. So machine learning is a field that studies algorithms which are capable of improving their performance for any specific task through its own experience. Rather than following fixed instructions, ML systems adopt and evolve based on the data they encounter. So, I hope it is clear from this definition what a machine learning is. It generally improves the performance of the task through its experience with the data sets that evolve around it. So now here in this slide, we are going to see what is a traditional programming and what is a machine learning. In a traditional programming, we can say that any data plus program gives you output. And in machine learning also, the data plus output gives you the program. So in traditional programming, the developers write explicit rules and logic to process inputs and generates results. In machine learning, the model discovers the patterns and learns rules automatically from examples in the data. This fundamental shift enables computer to tackle problems that would be impossible to solve with the traditional rule-based programming, adapting to new scenarios without explicit instruction for every case. So now, why do we use machine learning? So it has or it undergoes a complex task. It can do complex task, that is problems too intricate for explicit programming like speech recognition, image analysis, and natural language understanding. Unavailable expertise, that is scenarios where human expertise is hard to articulate or doesn't exist, such as navigating Mars rovers or personalized medicines. And massive data, handling enormous data volumes in genomics research, social media recommendations, and financial fraud detection. So all these things where a normal traditional programming becomes very difficult, it is very easy for the machine language to handle all these kind of tasks. So what are the types of machine learning? So you can see that there are four different types of machine learning. One is supervised learning, another one is unsupervised, and the third is semi-supervised, and the fourth is the reinforcement learning. So about all these type of learning, we will see in detail in the forthcoming lecture series. So now moving to the next slide. How does a machine learn actually? So here you can see that the learning process follows a systematic cycle but enables machine to improve their performance through repeated iteration. That is input data, its evaluation, the pattern recognition, that is the algorithm which analyze data to identify relationship, trends, and the underlying structures. And also model training. You can see that the internal parameters adjust systematically to minimize prediction errors through optimization. And finally, it is the refinement. And now coming to the real world machine learning applications. So healthcare, transport, entertainment as well as finance, all these areas. Apart from this, there are n number of areas. So we have highlighted few of it as the real world solutions. And now coming to the next scenario, you can see that the machine learning workflow. So the machine learning workflow consists of the problem definition, data collection, data preparation, and model selection, training, evaluation, deployment, and monitoring. So the key takeaways are that there's a paradigm shift, diverse application from this ML, and multiple approaches in this ML as well as continuous evaluation. So machine learning is transforming how we solve, enabling computers to tackle challenges that were once exclusively human domains. As data and algorithm advances and grows, the possibility continue to expand. Thank you. Let us all meet up in the upcoming video lecture series. Thank you.